Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your assets around for better opportunities or just to consolidate your crypto holdings, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, so transferring it securely is key to maintaining your portfolio's value. Before we dive in, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Coinbase, with some USDT in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, verify that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a must in the crypto world. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Crypto.com app or website. Navigate to your wallet section and select USDT from your list of assets. Here, you'll want to initiate a withdrawal. Choose the network for the transfer. Remember, USDT can be on different blockchains like Tron or Ethereum, so double-check that it matches what Coinbase supports to avoid any issues. For 2025, Coinbase might have updated preferences, so look for ERC20 or another compatible option. Next, copy the recipient address from Coinbase. Head over to Coinbase, log in, and go to your wallet. Select USDT and hit the Receive button to generate a new address. Make sure it's the correct one for USDT. Paste this address back into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check everything, and confirm the transaction. Fees might apply, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Once you've sent it, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan if you're using Ethereum. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. If something goes wrong, like a failed transfer, contact support on both platforms quickly. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on Coinbase. This process keeps getting smoother with crypto advancements in 2025, but always stay vigilant. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.